It's 4:30 in the evening and markets are closed. If you see my chart, this is today's Nifty chart. So market opened around 24,700, almost around 24,700, and then it closed at around 24,400. It's almost 300 point dips. But however, if you people would have tried to stay in the market, I mean, if you would have tried to take in a position initially in the first half, you would be stuck if you are an option buyer. But if you are an option seller, maybe here and there you'd have made some money. That is, if you are a positional optional seller. So I have taken few trades. So I usually scalp, and even when I see that the market is choppy, I do option selling, and even in option selling, I take small bits of positions. So if you see that at 2:30, there was a huge fall. So the main reason for that, you obviously know there is war going on, and the tension between Israel, US, it's still on. I'm not sure when it's going to conclude, but however, let's see, look at the market and the technical point of view. So if you see, we have 200 moving average, we have 20 moving average, we have 50 moving average. You should always make a note that whenever these three moving averages are broken, it's a very good opportunity for you to capture the market. So I missed a chance to take a position, but I tried to get in over here and try to take small points in this area. However, since already told you that I do option selling, and I was trying to scalp in this area. So if you can see, I have made almost around 9,800, and mostly it's all option selling. If you see, it's more than anything. So more than the positions what you take, or the profits what you make, the important thing is mindset. So you have to have a plan before you enter any trade. You can take any number of trade. I don't I'm not against taking number of trades, but only thing is you should have a plan, and you should have a risk management in place. You need to know how much you're ready to lose. So being in the market for almost 7 years right now, so that's the only thing which I think it's more important. But if I have to say what is going to happen tomorrow, even I don't know. You can't predict the market. What you can do is you can only follow the market. So if you see in a 1 hour time frame, always do a multi time frame analysis, so that you have a broad idea of how the market is, where it is trying to go. So if you see in weekly chart, you see this market, how it is going. It is, see, I have all these three things, moving averages, 200, 20, and 50. I get to know it's just like, you have Google Maps. We have this, I use this in the market. I also use pivot points. So maybe it'll be too confusing if I show that right now. So let's go to the 1 day time frame and see how the market is. It's still in the lower side. You can still expect it to open gap down tomorrow, but then you never know how the market is going to react. The war is still on. So I would say for tomorrow, stay safe. Just follow the market. So whatever the market is doing, once it breaks the support or resistance or moving averages, if you're using pivot points, I usually use CPR, pivot points, etc. So it helped me, and stick to one strategy, I would say. Thank you all. Hope you had some kind of knowledge out of this video. Thank you, everyone.